Hey, Chef.
I'm going to comment on this video
You know what?
because the deep fryer in a professional kitchen is the most dangerous tool in the kitchen. The single most dangerous thing, but probably more dangerous than a meat slicer. And that's because you have 35, 40 gallons of hot oil, 350 degrees. And cleaning this is a lot of work. If you haven't worked in a restaurant before, you haven't had the pleasure of cleaning out a deep fryer, it is extremely dangerous, it's hot, it's a mess, and if it gets on you, it's a guaranteed burn. And I've burned myself many, many times cleaning deep fryers. So this machine looks interesting. What it does is it jets hot oil down. It's supposed to circulate that dirt that gets stuck at the bottom of the deep fryer up and through this filter. I love to see this in action. I'm fortunate, I guess, that I don't work in professional restaurants anymore and don't need this style of cleaner, but I can see the value in this, just from a safety standpoint.